Hmm? Oh, my nose! Ah, my nose! Oh. Maybe it's gonna be there today, but maybe it won't be there tomorrow. Maybe when Luigi comes. Would you stop about the Luigi? I don't even know where he's at. Shut up! What? What? Oh! Da 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 da. Whoa! Wait! Oh my God! Look! Yeah! Yeah! Fireball! Yeah! Ha ha ha! Take out, let go of that fireball. It's like it looks like a bullet. Yeah! Ha ha ha! Thank you for the mystery box. I've been looking for this box all over. Oh my God! You let go of everything? Yes. Oh my God, Mario! You were that one. What was it? Fireball. I just lit it off by Bowser. You lit all the mystery box come. Oh yeah. Yahoo! Thank you, Mario. We'll go over there. Find more mystery boxes. You go there.
I need 2 more.
Look, more mystery boxes. More mystery boxes. Yahoo! Taking it out. Coin? Coin? Thank you for watching. Next video I'm just gonna do is the Angry Birds. It's gonna be awesome. Don't wait to see it.